When we study any phenomena in science, then we study that what factors may be disturbing that phenomena, means increasing the rate of phenomena or decreasing the rate of phenomena. So similarly, today we are going to study about the evaporation and what factors would be affecting the rate of evaporation. Maybe they will decrease it or they will increase it. So here we will see that what how they affect them.
Okay, so now our now next topic is factors affecting evaporation. Means how can we change the rate of evaporation? Can the evaporation be faster or slower? So there are four factors which I will explain one by one. The first is increase of surface area. So the effect is increases rate of evaporation. How? For example, at our houses, whenever you are going to have tea, if you are having tea in a cup, then you see that for a very long time the tea remains hot. But if you put that tea in a saucer, then very soon the tea becomes cold in that saucer. So that means that why it is happening, that vapors which are coming out from the hot tea, they are coming out very fast in the saucer because the surface area is greater and the cup has lesser surface area. So the rate of evaporation increases when we increase the surface area of the container. Now, increase of temperature means if we increase the temperature, then what will happen to the evaporation? It will increase the rate of evaporation. Like for example, just in the definition when I explained about the evaporation and boiling of water, when we start heating the water, initially the water is changing into vapor slowly, but as the temperature keeps on building, the rate increases, means the rate of coming out of vapors is increasing. So that means when we increase the temperature, the rate of evaporation will also increase. The third point is increase in wind speed. You must have seen that to dry our wet clothes, we put our clothes out on the string outside in the open area, so that the effect of temperature also works, like sun heat increases the evaporation rate and the wind speed. More the wind will move, the rate of drying of the clothes will increase. That means the evaporation will increase. And the last point is increase in humidity. Humidity means the content of water present in the vapor, or you can say in the atmosphere. So when the humidity will increase, it will decrease the rate of evaporation. Okay, that is why I have put all the increasing points first and last point was just the opposite. Means increase in humidity is inversely proportional to the rate of evaporation. Like for example, in the coastal areas which are near to the sea, in those areas the rate of evaporation is slower. We can understand this by in the normal conditions, in when the you can say in the summer seasons, when we put the dry clothes out, then they quickly dry up. But when we put the clothes to dry up in the monsoon season, it will take longer time, or sometimes it takes 1 or 2 days also. That means the rate of evaporation is decreasing when the humidity is increasing, because in the monsoon season the humidity is greater than the summer season. So these are the four you can say factors which affect the rate of evaporation.